Yeah, so this is kind of been our love child for a while between myself and the course authors. So we get to go outside of what is a traditional web app pen testing class. So it's not cross-site scripting, it's not cross-site request forgery. It's more like, here are two random characters that you might see, a string and a digit and a number, and here's how the different programming languages would interpret them. Here's how you can maybe bypass web application firewalls. Here are some new and novel attacks that you might not know about, but they're totally available on today's applications. And so we're giving a new test scenario to people, something that they haven't done. And we hope that whether you're a pen tester, you're a system architect, you're a programmer, you're a bug bounty person, we're giving you something new for you to actually play with and do. It's a pretty novel approach.